24-hour healthcare will soon be available to Groseley residents and environs at the Dr. Martin Didier Polyclinic, formerly the Groseley Polyclinic.
We really need this facility. We really need it. The nurses, the doctors have complained that they could do so much with a little more space. They could do so much. They could improve the wealth or the health of the nation by just getting better, more expanded facilities there.
On February 7th, 2025, Prime Minister Honorable Philip J. Pierre, Minister for Health Honorable Moses Jean-Baptiste, Member of Parliament for Groseley Honorable Kenson Casimir, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belmar George, and Mayor of Groseley Town, Mr. Lennox Dupal, came together to break ground and signal the start of the Dr. Martin Didier Polyclinic expansion project.
The resources for this expansion are available. You have no problem with resources. There will never be a time when you make a claim you will not get what you ask for. But please, let us get the facility and the work done on time and, if possible, within budget.
Strengthening St. Lucia's public health infrastructure remains a top priority for Prime Minister Honorable Philip J. Pierre and the Cabinet of Ministers. In addition to annually increasing budgetary allocations to the Ministry of Health, Prime Minister Pierre is also securing the financing to expand and rehabilitate medical facilities throughout the island.
But we have come in and we have improved and we have added services so that St. Lucians can get greater access to quality healthcare diagnostic services. With the assistance and guidance of the Office of the CMO, nurses at various wellness centers, and also the department which is responsible for our dental services, the department which is responsible for health education, substance abuse, all of the departments have come together and we are working together to ensure that we increase access to services.
The Groseley constituency is home to more than 30,000 people. With a bustling nightlife and a high concentration of hotels, accommodation properties, and tourist hotspots, thousands more regularly pour into Groseley for work and recreation.
Because when you hear any population census tells you Groseley is at 30,000, you must consider that on any given weekend, we have an influx of probably close to another 10,000 in the constituency of Groseley. That being said, I'm proud to be part of an administration that doesn't just talk the talk, but walks the walk. There is no excuse being created for why things have not been done. And as the Honorable Prime Minister said, we don't use woulda, coulda, and shoulda. We are doing what we need to do for the people of this constituency.
Prime Minister Pierre's cabinet acted on recommendations from the Ministry of Health to enhance the Dr. Martin Didier Polyclinic to adequately meet the evolving medical needs of the island's northern communities.
So the extension of the operating hours and services of the Groseley Polyclinic is in compliance with the model of healthcare for St. Lucia. The Ministry of Health, we are working towards the establishment and the strengthening of strategically placed emergency and urgent care facilities with extended hours of operation, with basic diagnostic services to improve access to timely, quality, and equitable health services.
Once completed, the expanded Dr. Martin Didier Polyclinic will provide additional medical services and operate 24 hours daily, providing high-quality medical services to residents in the north of the island and the general public.